So once you download this pack and open up the template folder, you should get these folders inside it. Now this is the Mogrt folder. So if you just open up that, you will find all of these different Mogrt files, which I will show you how to install it. But first, here's a very important step. You have to open up this font folder and open up the fonts PDF file, and you have to install all of these fonts. If you don't install the fonts, the template will look very bad. So I will recommend you install all of these 8 fonts and then install the template and use it. And if you want, you can change the fonts later. Now once you install all of these fonts, now let's see how to install the template. So for that, open up the Mogrt file, and over here you will find 3 different folders. So the first one is the title design, which is complete set. That means it will have all of the text elements already pre-made in this design, which I will show you in a moment. And then you will find these separated elements. So these 2 folders are very useful. So if you are not happy with this complete set, then you can just create your own title design with the separate elements. So let me show you how to install them first. So open up Premiere Pro and make sure this essential graphics is checked, and you are in this browse tab over here. Now over here, let's install the complete version first. So you can select all of them and drag and drop this into this blank portion, and as you can see, it will be installed over here. There's total 20 different titles, so you can just check it over here and drag and drop them in the timeline. All of the titles are 4K resolution. I'm going to click on this keep existing settings, and now if we just play back over here, everything will be played nice, and all of the titles will have an out animation like so. If you extend the duration, it will adjust. Now to edit the titles and colors, so select this title design and come over here to this edit tab over here, and here you can see all of these settings. So at first you will find this global position and scale, and then all of these text parameters. So as you can see, there is lots of text over here, so you can just open up each text over here and type your text, but that will take a bit time to open and close these tabs over here. So for that, there is a button called show in text panel. So once you click on that, you can see all of this text over here, and now you can just double click on this text and type your text. So as you can see, this is presents, this is filmic title that matters, which is this text, and then cinema, directed by. So all of the text you see on screen, you can change it from here. Now if you want to adjust some extra settings, then you can open up this text over here. So let's suppose this is called cinema, which is this one, which is text 5. You can open up this text 5 and you can change the font, you can change the tracking, line spacing, etc. So you get the idea. And over here you will find this combo transform. So as you can see, this text 1 and 2 is a combo, so you can change the position and scale over here, as well as over here, as you can see, text 6 to 11. So if I just move this, see, this entire section will be moved. So that is very easy and handful to use this template. Now to change the colors, just open up this color tab, and here you can change all of these color settings, and if there are any line elements, you can turn off and on, etc. And at the end, there is a background. So by default, there is a background of black color, 25% opacity, but if you don't want the background, you can turn down opacity over here. Now in the same step, you can drag and drop any pre-made design and edit them depending on your need. Now let's see how to use the separated titles. So let me delete this one first. So I'm going to open up this main titles over here, and I'm going to drag and drop these 5 titles just for demonstration. So these are the main titles over here. So I'm going to drag and drop, let's say this one, and this is just the titles over here. Okay, now let's drag and drop the text elements over here. Now as you can see, it has bunch of elements which you can use. So let me maximize this, and let's drag and drop this over here, and you can select it over here. You can just move the text. Let's drag and drop the other one, and over here you can control the global position and scale over here, and in the same step you can drag and drop any elements you like and create your own title design over here. So as you can see, it's pretty handy and very easy to use. So possibilities are endless. There is a bunch of settings over here which you can add. Also some of these titles will have logo settings. So let's set this one. So as you can see, it has a logo over here, so you can change this one from this logo settings. just import your PNG logo and drag and drop this in this section over here. It will be replaced, and everything else is same. You can change the text from here, you can change the color from here. If you want, you can offset the titles over here so that they will display a little bit later, like so. So that's basically it. In the same step, you can create countless amount of title design depending on your need.